What's good, video pro? So real quick tip, if you shot some footage on your iPhone, say, let me take this one right here, some slow-mo footage like this, and you're not liking the results, guess what? You can change that. Here's what you need to do. Go into edit, and here is where you can have the option to change. You can go up to 100 frames, speed it up a little bit, or you can go all the way up to 100%, which will be at 200 frames. So let's see what that looks like. Here it is, playing back at normal speed. So remember that quick tip. Now I'm not sure if this works on other iPhones, but I know it's a feature in the iPhone 15 and the latest update. So keep those things in mind, update your phones. Hopefully you can get yourself out of a jam. If not, try going into your software, and if you can increase it up, I know in DaVinci you can go up to like about 400 frames. Sometimes that'll work, and it'll take this slow-mo and pretty much play it back normal. Try these two things, and again, remember to capture those moments and do the best with what you have, to shoot smarter, create more, and spend less. Please follow me on YouTube at Video Pro Solutions. Like, subscribe, and if you can use this feature on just about any iPhone, leave it in the comments. All right, be very helpful. Peace.